Hi guys, I just made a counter tensioner in aiding me from picking double profile cylinder. Uh, this is a two layer actually. It's taken from a cover of a double profile, and there is a tensioner on the right side when I had to turn the cylinder clockwise, and there is a tensioner here when I had to turn the double profile in a counterclockwise. This helps me in aiding, in picking rather than trying to release a little, in which I have to turn back my pick tool. Well, this will automatically give tension. I show you what I mean. Okay, so this is a this is a profile cylinder which I had to pick. Then I will install it on the face. Alright, so when I decide to pick it, let's say clockwise, so I will have to engage this tensioner here. Okay, so as you can see, the cylinder core is already in a tension, which is trying to turn it on the counterclockwise. So an easy way for me to release and unrelease the tension. Okay, so when I am picking it, I'll put tension on it, moving it clockwise, while the balance tension is pulling it counterclockwise. So that I sense this is much easier for me to allow the pins to easily hang by the shear lines with this tensioner here and with my pressure tension here. Okay, so I'll try to pick this up. And I sense the response is quite significant. With this counter tension which I had installed. When I release it, it's easy, it just automatically return back, and I'll put again the pressure. Yeah, there it goes, see? So it's very nice, and I feel that the response from this tension with this counter tension which I installed is much more significant in turning the cylinder. So this is a very good tools which I had designed, and think it will aid me in picking a little bit harder profile cylinder. It has a thickness of at least 4 mm as I think, and most of the profile cylinder actually is having protrusion of 316 or 4 mm, so this is very suitable. Okay folks, thanks for watching and good day. Okay, but yes, just a little additional. This is this profile is full pins. I think they are just ordinary pins. Yeah. Okay. So it's full. Yeah. That is five. It's five pins, and it has a standard tuck pins anyway. Okay. So thanks for watching. Good day.